So first open your Steam, preferably the app, not the web version. Then go to your name on the top and choose Inventory. It should load all your items. You might not have any if it's a new Steam account. Some of these items you cannot sell. When you click on one, the price should show up at the bottom. Now just pick the one that you want and press sell. Make sure to agree to the terms and condition. Some graphs change a lot over time while others don't, so it's good to keep a lookout for that. You might get some more money if you sell it at the right time. Down here, just put a price that you think is suitable. Keep in mind, Steam always takes a bit of your money if you make a sale. Make sure to agree to the terms and condition. And then just press OK. Your item is now successfully up for sale. You can see it at the community market. You can also put item up for sale here by going to community, then market. These are some of the items I've sold in the past. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped.